Welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how to use an image as a title slide. So go to my device, look for the image I want. Okay. Select that image, go to insert. And this, you can see this image didn't cover the background as I want. So I'm going to put it manually. So I'll click it, go to crop, go to aspect ratio, go to 16:9. Make sure you choose 16:9. Then you click out of it. Then you take the picture to the edge. PowerPoint will snap it. Yeah. Then don't drag it from here. Drag it from this downside. Yeah. Perfect. So let me insert text. Maybe text box. Let me change the font. This is a decent font. Let me write a random text. See what a nice what a nice food. Just for example. What a beautiful food. And see black is not working, so I have to change it to white. Let me use nice. Quick. Let me increase the size. Make this footboard. Increase the size. So yes. So if you take this text down, you can see that you are not seeing it very well because of the white plate there. So you have to take it to a darker place so your text can stand out. Since this is the title page, you need to see your text. So you can see this is a clean quality image with the text. Yeah. So let's show you another example. Let me drag it. This is another way of inserting picture, by the way. We'll take this file. The same thing with this image. I need to crop it back. So go to aspect ratio again. Don't forget 16:9. Click out of it. Take it to the edge. Do not drag it from the side. Take it from the top. Drag it. Put it. Okay. Then insert the text box. Let me say change the fonts. And use any text. This is just a random word. You can see what it nice view. This is okay. Let me increase the size. Increase the size. So this is good. You can see this black color is very visible, right? So let me say, okay, I want to use a white color now. See, let's place it somewhere. So the black stands out. But let me say, okay, I want to use a white text. Let's try a white text and see. Make it white. You can see it's not that visible, right? because of the sun at the back. So how do we solve this issue? Click, go to picture format, go to picture correction, go to the brightness, minus 30. Now you can see the text is visible. Yeah. Increase it for now. See, the text stands out. This is a title slide. The text needs to show. See, so thank you for the video, guys.